English. Welcome to Talk Academy. I am teacher Venn and I am teaching TOEIC reading. I've been here in Talk Academy for 4 years. Well, in my class, we usually use different materials depending on the level of a student. Now, as a TOEIC teacher, I usually teach different techniques on how the student can answer the tests in a short span of time. So, for example, when it comes to the grammar questions, we usually look at blanks and the proper words that suit the blanks. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's start. And this one. So what would be the answer here? Herself? Why herself? Okay, just like I said earlier, if there's only one person in this certain sentence, this would be the answer immediately, your reflexive pronoun. But if I put another person here, it would be what? It would be her. But then again, the person or the name or the answer here depends on the gender or the sex of the name that you'll see. So if the name here is a man's name, so basically it would be him. Okay? Okay then, let's move on to number 4. Like I said earlier, go to your blank immediately. The blank plus, what is this? Is that a sentence or a phrase? It's a sentence? It's a phrase. So that is your object. So what do we need here? 1, we need a verb. But if you look at your choices here, you do not actually have a verb. All of those are what? Prepositions. So you answered what?
During.
Why do you think it's during? Your prepositions are during, among, and inside. How about aboard? It's actually an adverb. So you have here 3 prepositions. So now, in that question, you need a preposition, right? So you can now remove aboard. So you have 3 choices now, and you chose during. So in this case, you now need to know the differences of during, among, and inside. Basically, when you say inside, this is a preposition for place. It's also an adverb of place. Among is only used if you have, actually it's commonly used if you have the adjective est, iest, and your most. Okay? Here in Talk Academy, we don't just teach. We actually help students be competitive enough to be in the outside world. See you soon!